Ciao Tesla people, I wanted to show you some of the products that I got from HaloBLK. I have several. First of all, two, I don't have it right now because I removed it. I had the roof top cover, which I removed. And then there is a windshield cover, which I use only when there is sun. Now, it's winter, so I don't use those two. Okay, so let me show you what other products I received from HaloBLK, and I have a discount code. It's 10% off Ciao Tesla, so you can check it out. So the first thing is the mats on a that I substituted the one I had. These are premium mats because they have a double layer. So I have the rubber one, and then they have the matte one. So I can show you me here. So first of all, you get a logo, and you get this mat, and then this other one that you can plug in to have more protection and more softness here in the mats. Okay, so I have in the front and in the back. Let me show you. Actually, let me show you in the back. Let me open the door. And here is in the back. Again, double layer, so they're pretty cool. So you can clean it very easily. And they're premium mat. Then I installed some time ago the HaloBLK. It's called HaloStation. I had to modify because I have the swivel screen and display. So some things in the back didn't fit. So I modified to fit my situation here. So for you, if you don't have the swivel, they fit right away. And basically the system framework, let me show you from here, that you plug in the back around the screen, and you have a different attachment. For example, I have two for the phone here, you see, and then I have one for the camera. So if you want to do videos, you can put the camera here, a DJI or any other cameras that you use, action cam. Then you have this part here that you put on the back like this. Of course, it doesn't fit to me because I have this swivel screen. So that's just my situation here. And then you have this one to charge your smartwatch, and it plugs directly to the USB here, which is pretty cool. And so you have the smartwatch, you can charge it directly. Okay. Also, and in addition to the HaloStation, it has an organizer here that you can attach in the back. Again, with the framework system, and you can put another bunch of stuff inside here, this organizer here, okay? And it has also a latch for glasses, so you can put your glasses underneath here. Since I have the swivel screen, when you attach the swivel screen, space is a bit constrained, and also the screen comes down like 3 centimeters, so this one for me doesn't fit. Okay, but if you don't have the swivel screen, everything fits perfectly, and it's very well made and engineered. Also, in addition, from HaloBLK, I got some organizer for the here these spaces, and they're very well made. These two. They have a space for glasses. You know, I put some money here, and then I have the for cups, the cups holder. Okay, it fit perfectly. You can. It's made of rubber, so if you see, let me show you. It's made of rubber, so it's very. It doesn't scratches, and also I think you can. So these are pretty much all the HaloBLK products that I have. I have the sunroof cover here too, but I removed it in the autumn, so I use it in the winter. And then the windshield and I use it for the summer when it's very hot, you know, to cover the car from heating from the sun. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave all the links in the description. I have a discount code, Ciao Tesla, for 10% off. And they also have a bunch of other products, not only for Model Y, but for Model 3, I think it's Model S and Model X. I'm not sure Model Cybertruck, I have to check that. And they are coming out with other new products. I think I have one coming in January that is going to be very interesting. We'll see. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description so you can check it out. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.